gonna eat a Thai food, which I don't know the name of the English, but really the name of the Thai is krap prao. Look at that, the egg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 eggs. Look at the pork. Look at it. And look at the water. It's big, so the first one I'm gonna choose this, yeah? You see this? Here's the egg, look. Wow. Look at that. Look at the egg. I'm gonna eat the first bite. Oh, the pork is, I think the pork is more than the rest. It's good. So, I'm gonna try to eat all of it, but I can't do it. It's like 50 kilos. Here's the second bite. You see this? It's hot, but it's yummy. Yeah. If you go to Thai, you should eat this. They have a challenges like wait. And if you go to Thai, you could eat this a humongous grapao. Yeah. Here we go. Wait, a big bite. Here we go. Look at that. Look at that. Here. And here is the second egg. Wow.
Wow.
Here's the egg, right here. Wait, I will look, big bites. Oh, wait, here we go. Here we go. Here, look at it. Here. Oh, it's hot. Wait. It's so hot. Here's the next egg. Whoa. Here we go, a big bite. Yummy. It's really yummy. And now I'm full, so bye bye, see ya.